I am beautiful inside and out. I am one with the divine. I am kindness. I am happiness. I am health. I am harmony. I am prosperity. I am nature. I am love. I am gorgeous. I am goddess. I am light. I'm godly. I'm godly made. I am beautiful inside and out. Everything that I want, everything that I need, it all flows in so naturally. I walk in prosperity, love, health, happiness, and harmony. I am true to myself. I am that I am. Ashe.